Hi guys! We are on our way to Miami, to the Miami Art Basel. It's January, oh my god.
That's a good blooper right there.
I'm sorry, it's not January. It's December 6th. Hi guys! We are on our way to Miami. We've got about 3 hours left. We just started. We are excited to go to the Miami Art Basel for the weekend. We're also going to go visit Steven's godmother and then have dinner with some friends. Yesterday was our last final. Steven and I, we are in the UCF MBA program, and yesterday was our finance final. So I'm so relieved that it's over and done with. The MBA program is actually where we met, but that's a video for another day. So now we're here celebrating that it's the Art Basel. We're gonna try to make this a tradition every year to go to make the drive. We live in Orlando, to make the drive and spend the weekend in Miami, visit the Art Basel and visit friends, etc. I did my hair this morning. It's up in a bun because I did some curls and I want to keep it there until I get there. I'll put my hair done. And then right now I have no makeup on, but in a few hours I'm going to put my makeup on and I'll show you guys how I do that in the car. Can't wait for the Art Basel. I've never been, although I lived in Miami for like 7 years, I've never been to the Art Basel. Steven's been a couple times, but now it's a tradition because he's going with me. So we will show you guys our weekend, everything that we do. Can't wait. Still no makeup on, but I wanted to show you guys the goodies I bought for the road trip. So before we headed out, we stopped at Publix and we got Publix subs. Which one did you get? I got Ultimate Sub.
Italian, I'm Italian.
Delish. He did a half sub. He hasn't had his yet. I had a full sub. I actually already ate the first half, but I'm about to eat the other one. I got the Ultimate Sub. It's delicious. We're obsessed with Publix subs. So then I also got here some goodies. I got some sun chips for Steven. He loves these.
Nice.
It was his request.
It's a good pick.
I got us some pretzel almonds. Steven's allergic to peanuts, so I make sure to always get pretzel.
There's no almonds in there.
M&Ms. And almonds. He's allergic, yeah, to peanuts and almonds, but this one is just pretzels. And then I got myself the kettle jalapeno lady chips. Delicious. We are about an hour away from the Art Basel, so now I'm gonna start to get my makeup done. So I had to improvise this morning because I don't like to wear a lot of makeup throughout the day if I don't have to. But of course the Art Basel is the Art Basel. I have to wear makeup for that. So I knew that I had like a 3.5 hour drive waiting for me. So I didn't want to immediately do my makeup so early and be in the car. I'm not driving, but be in the car for that long with makeup. So I'm gonna start doing it now. Do some hydrating cream. Now I usually don't do this. I don't like to have to get ready in the car, but I don't have a choice. How many times have you been to one?
Maybe my 3rd time.
Oh, I messed up. I should have done this first. My bass is still louder. Bass. So it's okay. We're gonna make this work. Improvise. Sorry. How many times did you say?
I've been my 3rd time.
3rd time. This is your 3rd?
Yes.
Oh, so this is your best time then, because it's with me.
That's right.
Okay, so I messed up and I should have put the base first before the foundation, but whatever. moisturizing. At night, I wouldn't dare to go to sleep with makeup on. That's like immediately the next day, you're aging 3 years faster. It's just, I can't. I'm big on moisturizing. I'm not so big. I'm gonna use this mirror up here to help me look closer. I'm not very big on makeup. I usually keep it if I'm working from home, for instance, I just wake up, I moisturize. Before leaving the house, I put sunscreen on. At night, for sure, I do my night routine, wash my face, keep the face hydrated. But really throughout the day, I don't wear a lot of makeup. Even for work, when I go into the office, I don't really put that much on. But when we're going out, like on a date, or we have like a big event or something, that's when I like to show the difference. You have to like, especially if you're not always wearing makeup like me, why not wear a little more so that you notice a difference in your appearance. Okay, now I have my foundation. I put some gloss for my lips just in the meantime. You know, I'm not a makeup artist or trying to be, but I think I do pretty well for my makeup. So I'm just showing you how I make it work. I recently bought this brow pencil by Mario, and let me tell you, it's awesome. It is the Light Brunette by Mario. And I used to think like, oh, I have dark eyebrows and they're thick, there's no need for me to touch them. But I was so wrong. Like, you're gonna see the difference when I put this on, how it just helps them look even better. So I'm gonna use this to look closer. And I'm already getting nauseous doing this in the car. Again, I don't do my makeup in the car. I'm usually out the door ready, but we have to improvise. Okay. I also recently learned that if you have dark eyebrows, you need to use a lighter pencil brown. Like, mine are like dark brown, but I'm not using a dark brown. I'm using the light brunette because that's not gonna, you don't want to go darker with your pencil. You want to go lighter. So I recently learned that. I've also been taking probiotics, seed, S-E-E-D, and they're amazing. Probiotics been helping me in so many ways, but most importantly, I've noticed it's really helping with my skin and it's helping with my hair. My eyebrows are growing, not that I need it, but they're growing so much more. My hair, I've noticed a difference. So if you're lacking or you're not sure what probiotic to take, seed. colors, and there's two of them. So I'm gonna try this one today. Look how beautiful that color is. Alright, this looks like it'll be the final product. Gonna brush out my curls. And this is it. This is my style. I like to have like a kind of neutral brown looking. Off we go to the Art Basel. Okay, we finally made it to Miami. We just parked. We're walking through the garage. Super excited. Outfit check. I have never seen such a colorful piano. Look at this piece. It's called the Definity Piano Forte. Look at all the details, the stuffed animals on the top, the colors on the bottom. What a beauty. It was one of my top 3 that I saw at the Basel. This is a fair with more than 500,000 square feet of exhibition space featuring 286 galleries from 38 countries.
You could tell there was people from all over speaking different languages. I'm sure, missed several art pieces. There's so much to look at. No wonder people come for the whole weekend. Check out this piece. I couldn't tell if he was real or not, but the fact that he was holding a blooper fish was like, I loved it. I couldn't believe it. I wanted to touch it and see if he was real.
The Art Basel was a success. Check out this piece. Wow. My favorite one was the piano with all the stuffed animals on it. What about you?
Oh, that was a good one.
You love the chalkboard numbers, right?
Okay.
Good morning, everyone. Yesterday, the Art Basel was amazing. I loved the ambiance. There's something about Miami that, as a female, I love to see the fashion and how everyone dresses. It really motivates me. But today, we're gonna make our way to Aventura. We're staying in Doral. So before that, I'm gonna show Steven my high school, where I went, and where I used to live. I just want to show him around the neighborhood, and then we'll make our way to Aventura. The Aventura Mall, I haven't been there in years. I want to see it. We're gonna do some shopping, and then later we're going to meet with Steven's godmother. He hasn't seen in over 5 years, right babe?
5 years, yeah.
So
6 years.
we're gonna go meet her. That will be my first time meeting her, so I'm excited, looking forward to that. And then in the evening, we're gonna go have dinner with my good friends, and it's gonna be a great time. So let's continue.
In the evening, we had dinner at North Italia, a casual Italian restaurant located in Brickell. It was really good, highly recommend. Check out the vibe in Brickell. It's so nice. I honestly feel like the weekends start on a Wednesday in Miami for some reason. I'm totally up for it. I love Brickell. It's such a nice place to visit. We took some pictures, walked around the stores, and that was a great way to end our trip. Thank you all for watching, for tagging along with us to Miami Art Basel. I hope you enjoyed.